As a business owner, you're always looking for ways to improve your website ranking on Google. After all, appearing higher in search results can mean increased traffic and ultimately more customers. But what exactly can you do to improve your site's ranking? Here are 5 SEO tips for beginners that can help. First, use keyword-rich titles and descriptions. When creating content for your website, be sure to use keywords that potential customers are likely to search for. This will help your site appear higher in search results when people enter those keywords into Google. Second, optimize your website for mobile devices. More and more people are using mobile devices to access the internet, so it's important that your website is optimized for them. This means having a responsive design that resizes itself automatically to fit any screen size, as well as making sure all of your content is easily accessible on a smaller screen. Third, increase your page loading speed. No one likes waiting around for a slow website to load. Least of all, Google. Make sure you're doing everything you can to increase your page loading speed, such as optimizing images and using caching techniques. Fourth, get high-quality backlinks. Backlinks are links from other websites pointing back to yours, and they're an important factor in helping improve your search engine ranking. To get high-quality backlinks, create great content that other websites will want to link to. And finally, implement schema markup. Schema markup is code that helps search engines understand the information on your website better. To find out more, please visit One World Solutions website and contact us. We will help you. See you in next video.